Alright YouTube, as promised, here is the dust hood that I drew up in SolidWorks that I'm going to try and cut here. This will be my first cut on my CNC machine. I have my 1/4" bit in there, and the idea is to not have to use the vacuum by hand, just to have the nozzle here right in the hole that's always sucking as it's cutting. So anyhow, I'm going to try and cut this thing right now. Oh, and I do intend very soon to put in these limit switches. These are just a bunch of micro switches, so I don't, go off my axis or bottom out anywhere. So those will go in soon. I also have some e-stops that I have. I'm not sure where they are at the moment, but I have a couple e-stop buttons that I got online as well. So I'm going to start this. I did change the program just a little bit to compensate for the offset of the tool, and I had to do that manually. I haven't figured out how to do that in LazyCam yet. I know how to do it in other programs like GibbsCam, but I'm going to go ahead and start the cut. Hopefully nothing explodes. I'm going to start the router and the vacuum, then I'm going to start the program. So the router here, it's going to get loud. Okay, so I got both of these going. Go ahead and hit cycle start.